everyone, this is Arina Tawfiq and today I am going to show you an activity from lesson 11, that is force and pressure. In this activity I am going to demonstrate that pressure of liquid is same in all the direction at the same depth. Now the material required here is an empty bottle, then a bottle filled with water and a plate. Now I have drilled 4-5 holes around this bottle at the same level. Now you can see this first hole, then this is the second hole, this is the third one, and this is the fourth hole. Now I am pouring water in this bottle. Now what do you observe? Now you observe that water rushes out from all the holes and it falls at the same distance. So this activity proves that pressure of a liquid is the same in all the direction at the same path. Now I am showing you my second activity, in which I am going to demonstrate that pressure in a liquid changes with the height. Now for this again I have taken this plastic bottle. Then you can take any normal cup or a container and invert it in this manner. Then you have to take one plate or tray. Now I have drilled 2 holes. First hole is here and the second hole you can see it is here. Now we will put the water in this bottle very carefully. Now what do you observe here? You will observe here that water rushes out from both the holes, but they are falling at different distance. So you can see here water rushing out from the highest hole falls nearest and water rushing out from the lowest hole goes the farthest. So this shows that pressure of water in the bottle is greatest near the lowest hole and least near the uppermost hole. So this activity proves that pressure due to liquid changes with the height of the liquid column.